So guys, I want to talk to you about this microscope. At the office, I have AM scopes, I have other stuff that's high-end, professional, thousands of dollars, and I've had for years, and they have cameras in them. Back in the day, I guess it was 4 megapixel when I purchased it. But this was on sale on Amazon. It's a little USB scope. It was $99, and when I paid for it on sale, this is what I got, and it was $94. So I got it on sale, $10 off. So you guys can see all the contents there if you want to try to purchase the same thing. So anyway, so this is what this thing looks like, and so I'm pretty impressed with it for $90 for a scope, even though, you know, it's not stereoscope. You're not putting your eyes in it to try to do something. This thing has video and photo settings. It all comes with this one stand. It's metal base, and you can zoom in and out on the LED screen so you can see the content. So you can see I have a knife in there, pocket knife, and I could see a pretty fine set of materials on this. Also, so this stand all comes, and then it loops back on its wiring. So one wire comes from the stand. It has came with a 32 gig card, so the card's in there, and then that loops back to the base, which then the base provides the highlighting for these two lights right here. So basically you can turn these lights up and down. And so it's all powered through one little USB adapter. And so everything that you have happens inside the screen. And then the screen has a remote control also. So if you want to take photos, you can do photos of the content, timestamps, and everything. The device also has a battery built in, like 3,800 or something like that. So it will last a while. I'm not planning on walking around with a microscope trying to take pictures of anything, but it does have a battery, so you could work out by your car or something if you were trying to do something. But then it also has a video option, so you can also then start recording video, and it will record the video out of whatever it is that you're looking at. So I'm thinking for customers, if we want to show something, or sometimes for court, if I've got to display a chip or a scratch on a platter or something along those lines, that this may do the trick for us, as opposed to our more powerful scope, which the camera's not as good and you lose an eyepiece in the process in most of those. So I'm pretty impressed. This will also, even the remote control will even control the menus, so you can actually then see, you can put a grid, you can do your video size, so you can choose 1080p. You can also, when you switch back to camera, then you will also then see with camera, you can rotate your picture all the way around, so you can see all four. It just flips the angles, so you can see that. And then when you actually then go into the menu, you do the viewfinder, same thing, you have grid or cross, and then your image size is 12 megapixel. So, and then whether or not you want a timestamp or not in this process. And then up and down on lighting, you can turn the lighting up and down so you can see in different lighting what the process is going to be. So because not only does that have the lights on the outside here, there's also lights inside the scope. So you don't need the lighting inside the on these USB adapters. You can actually look at it from just the light in the scope and then get different lighting for the scope size. So that's quite a bit of scratches on that knife blade, and that's just the tip that it's looking at, just barely, just the tip. So so it's kind of weird, but at this point in time, a $90 scope might be really good for recording stuff and looking at stuff. It may be good for working and soldering, although generally I like eyepieces when you're soldering or doing something that small. But I feel like it'd be worthy for $90 instead of people having to spend $1,000 plus trying to get a really nice scope. They may be able to do the job, and then maybe portable. So if you're going to go someplace and work on something, that might be the way to go. So again, this is the thing I ordered. You know, I'm not getting anything from it. I'm not paid by them. I don't know them. It's just something I bought on Amazon. I thought you guys might like. So again, if that's something that you want, take a look at it. I've been impressed with this one so far today. I think it might be worthy. Thanks.